What's up, guys? So how about that for some blood in the streets, eh? How's everybody feeling out there? Little DCA opportunity, top up some bags before the moonshot. Sounds like a plan to me. Obviously not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo, right? All right, let's go have a look. I mean, on the hour, the market looks to be kind of turning around, so that's not too bad. Right now, guys, JASMY down 15.3%. It's up almost 10% on the hour, though. Still up 36.6% on the week, 97.5% on the month, and 577% on the year. Up 2 spots in rank, 266, 205, 2.05 billion dollar market cap, 791.75 million in volume. So the volume is back up, but in a bad way, right? All right, let's go have a look over at JASMY's chart first of all. So Bitcoin pulled everything down briefly. Now JASMY wicked way down here to about 3 cents 199. Look at that wick, eh? And then she whipped all the way back up. Look at that buying pressure, wicked all the way back up to 4 cents 223. So very nice, guys, very nice. Now listen. What matters, it looks like we're probably going to close this daily candle below 4 cents 4, which sucks, but what matters to me is where we close candles, okay? Not where we wick down to, right? For me, this shows buying pressure. We got back above this support level here at 3 cents 984, so very bullish there. Now, what I wanted to show you, and then actually, let's jump over to the weekly time frame real quick and have a look at that wicked all the way down there, and then boom, shot all the way back up again, guys. Right? So far, so good. Like I said before, I wouldn't be shocked to see this red candle close green by the end of the week. It's only Monday. It's only Monday, guys. This candle could get completely eaten up and be up on the flip side by the end of the week, which is entirely possible. So, but what I wanted to show you was if we go back in time to where we were in the last market cycle. Okay. Look at this here. This was just a couple of weeks. It was just a couple of weeks away from where we are now. But we had something similar happen. It was about within a 2-week time frame. And we know that these cycles, they don't repeat, but they do tend to rhyme, right? They are similar. Right? And we had a significant pull down here for about 3 days, right around the same time frame. And then we just started, and right here too, we pulled back a little bit more. This is where we are today, right here today, right? Then we pulled down, a little bit of downward action, and then look what happened next, guys. Look what happened next over the next couple of days. Moonshot, consolidation, moonshot, all the way up, right? So this has happened before. We've seen this. We could simply be a week or two away, and I think we are merely a week or two away from these moonshots starting to take place, right? We're just getting started here, guys. We're just getting started. Down here is the halving at that time. So for me, this looks very, very similar to what happened in 2021. 2020, the end of 2020, right, where we were at this point in that bull run. So, so for me, yeah. And so I have a little video that I want to get into for you guys. But first, I keep getting asked, what is my price prediction for JASMY? What is most people, like a lot of people are asking me by the end of December. And I mean, like, listen, by the end of December, from what we understand, Janction is supposed to be launched this month, right? So if we get Janction launched and everything goes off without a hitch, I could see us somewhere around that 10-cent level, 8 to 10 cent level, right? Now, if we can get up that high before the end of the month, and then the first week of January, we get removed from the monitoring zone, right? We could see a big run up after that, 15 to 20 cents. We could see maybe a little bit higher than that even, right? If you combine that good news with the market already going up, we could see a significant break to the upside. Now, the big question everyone asks me is, well, where's JASMY going to go at the end of the bull run? Well, I don't know at the end of the day, right? Just an educated guess based on history, charts, and experience, really. And what I can tell you is this. Now, most people are calling for $1. The general consensus is $1 for JASMY. And I've been around a long time. And I can tell you, based on experience, that whenever the general consensus is that it's going to go to a round number like that, it's going to $1, it will usually underperform by about 20 to 30% of what people are expecting. Similar to what happened with Dogecoin in the last bull run. Everyone was set for $1. We got to about 72 cents and then we ran out of road and Dogecoin plummeted, right? So for me, it's not financial advice, guys. Again, you do you, boo-boo. But what I'll say is this. If everyone thinks $1 is what's going to happen, you might want to be starting to pack your bags somewhere between, 50 to 70 cents at the latest, right? Because usually what everyone expects to happen, usually it will underperform that, right? Every time. I have found that out through my years and years and years in the market. That's what happens. So I sit back and I observe what the general consensus is in the market on any given project. And it helps me gauge on where it's realistically going to go versus where sentiment in the market believes that it's going to go, right? Now that you can only get with experience in the market. So in saying that, I got a video here courtesy of my friend Neo Sun, friend of the channel, Neo Extrix, video about the innovation zone. Check it out.
Kunitake Ando, the founder of JASMY, once said, "Find within yourself the strength to fight for what you believe is right. It is a driving force." It's been almost a year since I last spoke about the innovation zone, but today I can say that once we cross this stage, my mind will be more at peace, hoping to have contributed even a fraction in shouting out loud that JASMY is no joke. Many ask me who I am, who I work for, where I come from. It doesn't matter. I am simply a defender of the right cause, born from the injustice created by Binance in March 2023. On that day, I promised myself, for the tireless efforts of the JASMY team and for the community I had been quietly observing, not intervening on X, to do everything in my power to show the world what JASMY is truly achieving, and that this sidelining was completely unjustified. Some might think I've become obsessive, that I've fallen in love with the project, having posted over 7,500 messages about JASMY in just over a year, but it goes far beyond that. My goal is to show the world that this cutting-edge Japanese technology has been misunderstood and misperceived by many, except for the early-day defenders. Yes, the team's communication might have seemed confusing at first, but they've always acted honestly and never misled anyone. The JASMY team, they are ninjas, discreet, working in the shadows, relentlessly day and night. And I know this. I've done the same through my research, morning, noon, and night, sometimes going days without sleep, all while balancing family life and my children. Finding balance hasn't been easy, but it was crucial. I explored every lead, what has been said, what is still being said, diving into partner website, Japanese sites, reading and translating hundreds of ministerial reports, maybe even more, rereading, analyzing, understanding. It wasn't easy, but my mission was bigger than all those challenges. The more the doubts and unjust criticisms were present, the more my will to prove them wrong grew. In short, always fight for what you deeply believe in. My mind will truly be at peace when we've achieved our goal, and I am convinced we will succeed. This will be a major milestone for JASMY and for Japan. And as a community, each of us will have contributed to this success alongside the immense work that the JASMY team has been doing behind the scenes for many years. Be proud of that. JASMY still has so much to offer and reveal. Thank you all, wherever you are in the world.
First week of January, guys. First week of January. Now, as I always say, guys, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon, guys. We can help you if you do not have an exit strategy, if you have no idea where you should be taking profits, scared you're going to either sell too soon or sell too late and get stuck holding. get over to the Patreon, schedule your one-on-ones. We can help you create your exit strategies, your profit taking, how you can take profits from one project, roll it into another, and how to identify when and where you should be doing that. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, there's no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons and can help you if it means that you can walk away with life-changing wealth for you and your family and have money to be able to buy back into the bottom of the next bear market, right? If you need some structure, if you need education in crypto, if you want to succeed, just winging it is not going to get you where you need to be in crypto. So jump over to the Patreon. We do group Zoom calls every single day as well. You can join our group Zoom calls. You can add to the conversation. You can ask your questions, get the answers that you need by highly intelligent. We have everyone from skilled veterans to beginners over on the Patreon, guys. So get over there, join our group Zoom calls, book your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. Let's get your exit strategy put together here. Let's get you ready to go for the euphoric part of this bull run, guys. As always, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it, and I'll see you later.